What's going on, guys? Chris here. So today, this is the second attempt. Yesterday I left my GoPro at home, but we're at a new creek. It's the West Fork of the Flint River, I believe. I'm actually a fishery science minor, and in class we actually had to spend a day electro fishing, and we came to the West Fork of the Flint River. However, it wasn't this location. I typed in that location on my GPS on my cell phone, and it brought me here, which led me through a park and finally to this creek. So the water here is super clear, and since this is the first time that I'm fishing here, I'm going to be throwing redworms to start with. So if I'm successful catching fish on these redworms, then I'm going to switch over to artificial lures. However, I'm going to start with these redworms. I'm going to get rigged up, get started. Oh, first cast, first fish. Oh, what do we got here? Looks like a tiny red breast. Alright guys, first cast, first fish. Looks like a little red breast sunfish. Let's get this hook out and let him go. Didn't take long. Alright guys. Looking for fish number 2. It's crazy. I don't even see the fish in here, but they're in here. Oh, there goes one. He's got it. Oh, yes. Oh, nice. Long ear. Alright, guys. Second cast, second fish. Nice little long ear. Let's get this hook out and let him go. Beautiful fish, man. These guys definitely belong in aquariums. Oh, I shouldn't say they belong, they don't, but these guys are aquarium worthy for sure. Oh, there we go, another one. What do we got here? Oh, bluegill. Third species, man. Nice, man. Oh! Oh, there he goes, but that was the third species. 3 casts, 3 different species, man. Right on. That's awesome. Just keep it going. So I'm trying to do a better job at setting the hook quicker, since I'm using such a small hook and a worm. I'm trying not to gut hook anything. That last fish that I caught, the long ear, it's probably not going to make it. It makes me feel guilty. So I try not to use worms too much, just because I have that fear of gut hooking fish. I read online though, like, if you can't get the hook out, they have a better chance of you just cutting the line. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what I read. But you know, the good, oop, fish on. Oh. Nice, another long ear. And as I was just talking about that, it looks like he swallowed the hook, man. Shoot. Try to get it out. Hopefully I'm successful. It's a beautiful fish. Alright guys, so we managed to land 3 fish right at the entrance of this creek. So I'm pretty interested in exploring this creek, so I don't want to stay in one position for too long. So I want to continue to walk down this path, look for deeper pools, and keep fishing. There we go, finally, fish on. What do we got here? Oh, bluegill. Alright, just got a 4th fish of the day, another little bluegill. Let's let him go. Alright. Alright, man, so I was able to catch a fish out this location. Took forever though, but finally got one. Let's even get another. So the most activity I'm seeing is across from me on under those trees, but can't cast that far with this little worm and this tiny split shot. Oh, fish on. Oh wow, big long ear. Alright man, just got another long ear. This is the biggest one I've ever caught. These things are so beautiful. I know I say that, but look at these colors, man. So vibrant. Their patterns are beautiful. Got that almost the same color belly as a red breast. Beautiful fish. Let's let them go. There we go. That's a bigger fish. Alright, man. Big old red breast. Alright, man. Look at this. Oh, let's try that again. So I just caught a red breast. He's a little bit muddy now, but it's the largest fish I've caught. I ended up upsizing my hook just so I wouldn't gut hook any more fish. But let's let this guy go. There he is. Oh wow, what is that? There's a little bass. Alright guys, so I've been here probably for about, in this section, for about 20 minutes now. I think I've caught 2 or 3 fish out of here. I think 3. But anyways, I don't want to stay in one spot for too long, and that's what's happening, so I'm going to go ahead and keep walking. On the way here, I passed over an overpass, and I think that I can hear traffic to my left right now. So there's probably going to be deeper water under that bridge, so I'm going to head that way and keep casting as I do. Alright guys, so this spot is not as deep as I anticipated it to be. However, I'm just gonna throw a worm on and let it sit at the bottom and see if anything will come along and take it. So, we'll throw in another worm, let it sit, here we go. Man, first cast over here, first fish. Another long ear, man. Let's get this hook out and let him go. Oh, there, oh, I lost him. Oh, there we go. Another long ear. Guess these are common over here. There's a log right. Oh, there's one of those suckers, the hog suckers I don't want to catch. Shoot. I saw that come and get it on the fall. Woo! Big old red breast. Alright, so I moved down a little bit under this bridge and look who showed up, another red breast. I take back what I said earlier about those long ear being the kings of the creek. Look at the size of this guy. Let's let him go. Well guys, I just looked at the time. I've been here for about 3 hours now. I gotta go pick up my girlfriend from work. But overall it was a pretty good day. I was able to catch a few different species, a whole lot of fish. I definitely will come back here and fish again, continue exploring. But until next time guys, subscribe if you haven't. Hope you're having a great week. Tight lines. Catch you next time.